Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Silicon Valley Comic-Con, Tested's first con of the year, and I'm standing next to my friend Darrell Maloney, who is the Broken Nerd. We've covered his stuff. I've tweeted it on my feed. Darrell has spent the last week with me in my shop making costumes, and we're about to hit the floor. This is Darrell's first Comic-Con and his first cosplay, so it's all happening at once. We're about to get dressed as two of the Knights of Ren.
Yes.
You will be
the monk.
The monk. I will be the rogue, and I think this is going to be one where I don't think people are going to find us very easily.
I think they have no clue.
None. No, these are two characters for which there's almost no reference material. We had to make a lot of our own choices in putting together the aesthetics of these costumes.
It's made for fun.
Super, super fun. Usually I'm trying to work on these tiny details. In this, we had one drawing for each one.
Yep.
Yeah, and blurry photographs. Let's get dressed. It's time to get sweaty.
All right.
I'm always pleased when I at least see that everything arrived and is not in a terrible state. By the way, cosplayers, these little hangers with clips on them are fantastic for holding the ancillary parts of your costumes for storage, like gloves, for instance. I can't get enough of these. I forgot my contact lenses. Shite. What an idiot.
You try to force it through your glasses.
Oh, it only limits my enjoyment. So I forgot my contact lenses, and I can't. Your glasses are kind of mild, but mine, I can't read a stop sign without my glasses. This is a semi-disaster. However, I can get my glasses on under your helmet.
Okay.
But yesterday when we were test fitting, it was fogging up. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear my glasses over the balaclava, under the helmet, and then it's like an Easter egg for people to find.
That would be awesome.
I hope so. What an idiot. I can't believe I forgot them. Okay. So I know this is the first time you're seeing all this stuff, but don't worry. We have the full coverage of this build, both costumes. It's going to go up on Tested very, very soon. These were some of the most fun costumes that I've gotten to participate in, specifically because we got to make so many of the aesthetic choices. No, you know what I did? I did this totally wrong. I've got this completely backwards. I had the belt going in the opposite direction. It goes, yeah, I'm completely backwards. I was wrapping the belt around the wrong side of me. This whole belt goes under and over the tunic is a pain in the ass, whoever drew this drawing. I just want you to know, I blame you, not my own tired brain.
Thank you, sir.
Dude, that is awesome. Oh, your belt. Have you got your, you've got the saber on, right?
It's just not.
Oh, cool. Okay, wait, you've got a little bit of white. Let's take care of that. Wow, that doesn't really help at all.
Oh, man.
That's all right. It's just as hard to see through with contacts. It's just a little harder. And I've got a second balaclava here in case. All right, let's try this. Okay. All right, we're back to one. Here we go. You all hot yet?
No, not yet.
Oh, really?
I'm actually really good.
I'm already sweating balls.
Well, you've been moving a lot more than I have.
It's true. Darrell, I have to tell you, your specialty in 3D printing has been a sea change. This is the first costume I've ever worn with so much 3D printing involved in it.
Wow.
And your finishing really, like, I still think sometimes of 3D printing as the early days where everything had ridges and everything. But the finishing is just perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Dude. And actually also really surprisingly lightweight.
Yes, that's the beauty about 3D printing and the material that we use.
It's very funny to be lectured by one of Kylo Ren's henchmen. If you're on this side, you always go like this, or we always go back to back?
I think back to back.
Yeah. Here we go. We're hitting the floor at Silicon Valley Comic-Con 2018. I'm gonna get found so fast in these glasses. Today at Silicon Valley, we're being led around by Freddie, dressed as George Lucas. Even though he's dressed like George Lucas, he's still sorry about episodes 1 and 2.
I have many regrets. Are you Adam Savage?
Yes. Here, come this way.
Can we take a picture?
Do you want to take a picture?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'll keep this.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, cheers.
We'll be cool.
I'm not too hot.
I know, me neither.
This is actually quite a comfortable costume.
So good.
That was good?
Yes.
I love all the costumes. I love all the gradations of the costumes. For some reason, I feel so much affection towards people that are wearing something that is just like they put it together as fast as they could, but they just needed to do it. I love that ethos. Woo! Dude,
That was fun.
that was really good. Oh my goodness. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, Mike.
So I had my glasses on underneath, and it was killing my nose
really?
the whole time.
Discomfort is a key part of cosplay. It is like a really important component. You'll see this whole weekend as you walk around that like people are like pulling and stretching, and that's just part and parcel of the whole experience.
So I always see in your videos when you take off the mask, you're like,
Yep.
now I feel wild.
Yes, exactly. The
Fresh
freedom.
air.
I kind of got intoxicated seeing so many R2-D2s in one place.
That was amazing.
Although they're all too shiny. Hey, R2-D2, your guys' R2s are too shiny. R2 is beat to hell. You've got to dirty him up. Got to off-road with their R2s. Dude, every time I saw a reflection, it was so exciting. It's just like, it's been so much fun to put this together and do such sort of immersive problem solving on the aesthetics.
Yes.
This is a totally different cosplay experience. I really want to thank you for joining me on this.
I thank you for having me so much, Adam.
Let's gear down into street clothes.
glasses are off.
I can tweak those back. I'm actually really good at glasses adjustment. Oh, right. There's that. See, I view the wearing of the costume as the fulfillment of the costume's destiny, right? It is only an object until I get to breathe life into it by wearing it. That's my favorite part, and then it becomes a thing. Honestly, I could rock this tuning. I could wear this out during the day, so I could totally do that. You know, it's funny. I opened my TED Talk about cosplay by saying that everything we wear is a costume, but it sinks into me extra deeply when I take off a cosplay costume that I've just worn on the floor and put back on my street clothes, and I realized, yeah, there's still a bunch of gear. Like, just dressing up as me every morning is like 7 or 8 things I gotta put on my body. All cosplay. I never feel fully dressed, truly, until my multi-tool is back on my belt. So here we go. Oh, wait. And that. And we're back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. I look forward to our next collaboration, man.
I look forward to it too. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
My friend, that was awesome.
I enjoyed it.
Until next time.